Hello and welcome back to my workshop. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. Now, if you guys saw our maker vlog earlier on in the week, you would have seen that I've been a bit crook for a while and I haven't been able to get out here and make anything new for you guys. So I thought what I might do is give you guys a treat today and show you the very first project that I ever made. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to give you an 8-year update. And spoiler alert, this lazy Susan has seen the sun every day for 8 years. And it doesn't look pretty. But before we take a look, I want you guys to stick around, watch how I made it, watch how good it looked the day I finished it, and then we'll come back here for the update. So now that you saw how I made it and how good it looked the day I finished it, it's time to have an 8-year update. Now, one thing I do want to mention before we take a look is the epoxy that I used was like a liquid glass by Aristocrat, I think it was. Don't quote me on it. It was in the video. But obviously I don't use that anymore. We use our Just Resin, which has UV stabilizers in it. Epoxy's come a long way in 8 years. It's a lot more stable than it used to. But anyway, let's have a look at this 8-year-old Lazy Susan. I feel like I need a drum roll. Are you guys ready? Oh, here we go. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. Have a look at this. You can barely see the tools inside. You can get a bit of a glimpse of them if I get a bit closer. It's not looking pretty, hey? It's definitely gone yellow. I mean, as you would expect with all the sun exposure. It has had a plant pot sitting on it, which is why there's a ring there. But yeah, it's very dusty. It's very dull. You can actually see a little bit of separation. Well, it's a bit hard with the glare. See the separation in there? Now that's because I did multiple layers and it's just come apart. Seems to be all the way around the edge. It's all come apart there. Some of the tools still look pretty good, no separation. That one's looking all right. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this a bit of a, look how bad that is. I'm gonna give this a bit of a polish. Now, I think what I'll do is I'll use the polish that we have. If you guys want it, it's available in our store. There'll be a link at the top of the screen somewhere or in the description. But I might actually tape it off. Let's just tape it in half and we'll just concentrate on one half. That way we can see how good the polish works, hey? So I'm gonna put some tape on it now and then get polishing. Okay, I got myself an old microfiber here that we are gonna use to put the polish on with. I have myself some masking tape. Let's just put a line down the middle somewhere. About there, looks good. Okay. Let's see how this comes up. Now, I shouldn't need a lot of polish. Just gonna put a little bit on with my finger. Now, if you do have a buffing machine, like a car buff that you buff with like a woolly pad, that would be better to use, but unfortunately I don't have one at the moment, so we are going to do this by hand, but I still think it'll look pretty good. Okay, time for a bit of elbow grease. It does look like there are a fair few deep scratches in there. I dare say things have been dragged over it over the years. So to get them out, I would need to sand with maybe a 600 or an 800. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to leave it. We're just going to concentrate on the polish. Okay. Now, because I'm not feeling too well, I'm running out of puff, so I think that'll probably do. What was that, about a minute, 90 seconds maybe? Let's see how it looks. Okay, let's get this tape off. I tell you what, for 90 seconds, that actually isn't too bad at all. We can actually see the tools now. Let's take a closer look, eh? You can see we got a lot of the shine back. That's not too bad at all. But yeah, have a look inside of here. The tools actually don't look too bad. There's the shears, a little bit of separation, but you can see all the separation there between the layers. that isn't too bad at all, that shine. I'm quite happy with it, actually. Well, guys, what did you think of my 8-year Lazy Susan update? Like I said at the start of this episode, it was the first major resin project I ever did. I got the wood slice and carved it out, and it was quite fun, actually. 8 years later, can't believe it's been that long. But anyway, it has. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Hopefully I do start to feel better soon. I have a ton of new content coming. It's been a bit of a slow start to the year, but we're getting into the groove. We're getting back into it. Don't forget, if you guys want to see more content on the Maker channel, hit subscribe on that. I'll leave a link at the top here or in the description. Yeah, that's it for this episode, guys. I apologize for the re-upload, but I'm feeling like crap. You can help me out by hitting that like button. That'll make me feel better. Take care, everyone. I'll catch you on the next one.